Well, hi and welcome back to the channel. So this morning we are getting up early and we are driving about an hour and a half north to the Central Coast, just north of Sydney, to a little beach called Dixon Beach. Let's go. Well, good morning. So this morning we've come up to Central Coast, about an hour and a half north of Sydney, and I'm actually standing on Dixon Beach, and right across the way here is Nora Head Lighthouse. Now we just came down, it's low tide at the moment. And we just found these really gorgeous sort of tessellated rocks in the just in front of us here at the edge of the beach. I think a lot of the sand has washed out from the beach, so which means that a lot of these rocks have been exposed where you normally wouldn't see them. So I'm not sure what sort of colour we're going to get in the sky this morning. We've still got about 20 minutes before sunrise, but what I've done is for a first composition here, I've just found these two rocks in the sand here with a little bit of a line of where the tide's been running down, and that line's kind of pointing across towards the lighthouse. So I'm trying to time this properly so that when the lighthouse turns and faces me, I get the light on the lighthouse in the shot. So let's get this in the bag for a first shot for this morning, and I'll have a look around, see what else is here. Check this one out first. Okay, so what I've done now is I've come down onto the actual rock shelf itself. So I've got some waves crashing around me here. I've left you guys back on the sand so you're nice and safe. I'm doing a little bit of tripod gymnastics here so we can get down nice and low. And what I'm trying to do is just make sure I can capture some of these tessellated rocks with the lighthouse in the background and with some wave action sort of in between the rocks here as well. I'm on a 1.6 shutter speed right now. I'm f10. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for, is for some of the waves to come in and just fill up so we can see the tops of these rocks and get that shot with the lighthouse in the background looking absolutely spectacular. Okay, loving this. It would be even better if we had some color in the sky, but that may still happen yet. Let's get this shot done from here. And then we're going to move. I've seen another one that we want to pick up as well. So let's check this one out. Hi again. Okay, so I'll try and stand in the way of the sun there. How's that? I've just found another one. These tessellated rocks are just absolutely magnificent. And what I'm doing here is, if I stand to the side for a sec, you can see this line of rocks is heading directly out towards where the sun is. So I'll get out of your get the sun in the shade here for you. So same again. I've got a 1/3 of a second f9 ISO 50. And I'm waiting for these waves to come in, just like this one, fill up in between the rocks, and then wait for the rocks to be exposed. We get some absolutely gorgeous reflections off the rocks as well. And what I'm going to do is, I'm actually just going to take one at 0.5, just checking my histogram, and my histogram is basically telling me about an f10, and nothing's blown out. Maybe f11. There we go. Beautiful. Here's a wave coming in now. So we're just waiting for this wave to drop down below the rock level, and then we'll get some gorgeous reflections of the sun before the sun disappears behind this cloud bank that's right in front of us. So here we go, some more nice reflections. Okay, let's check this shot out and see how this one came out. Well, that's it from Jenny Dixon Beach. Got up about 3 o'clock this morning, hour and a half drive to come north, and just absolutely spectacular. Great spot. Next time, and the reason I'm just saying goodbye to you guys here is next time I'm going to make sure that when the sun comes over the horizon, I'm here to shoot these green mossy rocks, because these are just going to absolutely light up when the sun comes up. So nice headland in the distance, some really nice leading lines in the green mossy rocks in the foreground. So we're going to shoot this next time. We'll definitely come back here. Great spot. Okay, if you like the shots, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Subscribe, do all that stuff. We're now heading off for coffee, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, have a good one. Cheers.